What up mga solid subscribers? Okay guys, no, ito na po yung pinakihintay natin guys. Pinakihintay po natin. No? Ito po yung Cat's Eye, no? Nag-perform na po sila sa Wish Bus. No? Alam nyo na yung Wish Bus guys. Hindi po yan pumapayag na may mga auto-tune or what, no? Talagang kung ano po yung boses nyo, yung po talagang ipaparinig na sa inyo. No? So, mostly na alam ko may nagsasabi sa inyo na hindi daw boses po yun ng Cat's Eye, nag-lip sync daw po sila, no? So sa mga doubters diyan, eto na, pakinggan niyo na kung ano po talaga boses ng Cat's Eye, no? So bago sabihin nito, kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell guys para alam niyo pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So ayan lang guys, maraming salamat ulit. In-end ko na agad yung video no? Mali. Ganyan na kayo, natutuloy-tuloy, nadadala lang po ng aking mga bigkasang malala. Okay, without further ado, let's all watch this. Okay. Shout out to Wish Bus. Shout out. Ayan na. Umuulan po.
Monday, I was dreaming about you. Tuesday, I was waiting near the phone. 2 days, wasn't hearing from ya. Yeah, what can I say? Oh baby, I was getting bored. Thursday, I was losing interest. Friday, you were out there in the cold. Weekend, you already missed it. I was moving on, cause you were moving too slow. Sometimes I'm alone, stare out my window, and the moon makes you seem close tonight. But you've been so hard to touch. About you way too much. All the love I think in us.
Nakipag-interact sila sa kladong selang tingnan.
You could have my love, but you've been so hard to touch. Thought about you way too much. Yeah, you went and messed it up. Cause you've been so hard to touch. You could have my love, but you've been so hard to touch. First you're gonna say you're sorry. Promise you won't do it anymore. Come up with a different story. Yeah, what can I say? See something I ain't heard before. I'm too fun to waste my time. Too young to waste one night. So here comes some good advice. If I ever call again, don't press ignore. Sometimes I'm
Kabisado ko.
alone. Stare out my
Guys, narinig mo yung breathing nila guys, no?
makes you
So, imposibleng lip sync to.
But you've been so hard to touch. Thought about you way too much. All the love I think in us. Cause you've been so hard to touch. You could have my love, but you've been so hard to touch. Thought about you way too much. Yeah, you went and messed it up. Cause you've been so hard to touch. You could have my love, but you've been so hard to touch.
I love their attitude guys, no? Talagang hindi sila, meron kasi usually alam mo yung mga performers, no? Pag nasa Wish Bus, no? Focus lang sila sa camera, focus lang sila dyan. Pero sila, halos lahat sila nakipag-interact sa crowd guys. Nakakatuwa, ang galing, ang sobrang ganda ng aura nila, sobrang ng kung paano nila itrato yung mga fans nila. No? Alam kung ano sila, parang, I don't know guys kung first time nila sa Wish Bus, pero I think first time nila sa Wish Bus, pero alam mo yun, napakabuti na itong mga to, talagang ina-entertain nila yung fans nila. No? So, I hope na talagang maging maging kung ano man yung hinahangad nila. Pero, for me guys, ay sikat tong grupo na to. No? Sobrang galing, sobrang professional, sobrang gagaling, sumayaw pa talaga po talaga guys, as in, and at the same time guys, napakabuti ng puso. Okay? Ayan, narinig nyo na ha? Wish Bus, never po nag-auto-tune yan guys, no? Comment down below lang kung meron, no? Baka nagkamali lang ako, baka meron na pala. Pero so far guys, sa lahat po na ginagawa ng reaction video sa Wish Bus, lahat po totoo, hindi pinapayagan ng Wish Bus yung mga auto-tune or what, di ba? Hindi nila pinapayagan yan, no? So, ayun. Ganda na boss ng Cat's Eye. So, yan guys. Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring na notification bell na rin guys para alam nyo pag ako nag-release ng bagong video. So, maraming salamat. So, this is Point of It signing out. Peace! Let's see.